So what is your choice to become either this or like this? Converting depression into happiness is a process that can take time and effort. Not as much easy to watch this video. However, there are several things you can do to improve your mood and increase your feeling of happiness. Everybody wants to becoming happy, but what stops them is their inability to understand themselves. We humans think we are different. Due to this thinking that I am different is generating ego, anger and greed. But when we see ourselves in the planet we live, we are just a dot. And when we see ourselves in the cosmos we live, we are just a pop-up which will appear and gone. So from where this ego, anger and greed thing will come? So think about this after watching this video. Connect with others. Firstly, don't think that you are depressed. But if you think you are feeling depression symptoms, then firstly try spending time with friends and family members, or join a support group where you can connect with people who understand what you are going through. Because it's human tendency to connect with people. Be with the people at the time when you are feeling that you are suffering from symptoms of depression. Because that's the time when you can inquire who is your true friend, who is your true family member. If they left you in the mid of your bad time, then they are not your true assets. Instead, they are your liabilities, which are eating you from inside. So in a positive way, depression is little bit interesting. You can text your friends. You can engage in activities you enjoy. Make time for hobbies, interests and activities that bring you pleasure and fulfillment. If you do not do any activity in the present time, then go in past and discover what is the most interesting thing that you had enjoyed when you are a child. So remember one thing, that in this world you come alone and go alone. You will take nothing from this world. So remember this. So pause the video and think, what is the root cause of feeling depressed when we have nectar of happiness? So at what cost you lose your nectar? The base of depression is coming of negative thoughts in your mind. So this is my second point of the video. Challenge negative thoughts. Recognize and challenge negative thoughts and beliefs that can contribute to feeling of depression. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Let's take a person A who wake up early, eat, bath and ready to go office, and he is very happy from waking up to reaching his office. But when he reach his office desk, he suddenly find himself in a situation where he was scolded by his boss. Then you can guess what is his emotion at that moment. He lost his happiness. He forget how much he was happy before reaching the office. So this small negative feeling will convert it into a most famous term, depression. For this there is a beautiful solution. That is the way of living life with gratitude. That I am still alive, that I have fit and fine body, that I have family and friends. But if you are lacking something, then be grateful that you have something that somebody doesn't have. So practice gratitude. Get professional help. If upper 2 points did not work and you really feel you are in advanced stage of depression, then seek out a therapist or a counselor who can help you understand and manage your depression. They can provide you with tools and strategies to cope with your symptoms and improve your overall well-being, because this is their duty to serve you. And do not think this involves huge amount of money, because this is the matter of your life. Let's take a beautiful imagination. You have $86,400 every day. So think how much amazing things you are able to do. You can do anything you want. But come to reality. This $86,400 is not other than 86,400 seconds, which is in 24 hours. So don't waste them. So this imagination example belongs to second point. So what was the second point? Challenge negative thoughts. So this point is not in sequence. You can apply this point whenever you feel that this point is going to help me. You can apply it before connecting with people, or you can apply it after professional help. So the whole point is practicing mindfulness. For the point, I will going to give you an example. Once upon a time there is a one girl who is CEO of an imaginary company. So can you imagine how much successful life she was living? But there was something which was lacking in her. So what was that? That was her incapability of taking care of her mental health. Whenever someone saw her from outside, she always looked like a role model. But in reality, she always compared her with others. She always became greedy whenever she got choice. Therefore, she was always feel alone instead of having lots of fans and friends. Due to her mental health, she became depressed. So she followed the third point and go to the doctor for taking professional help. But that doesn't work. So one day she was scrolling and saw a video of an Indian saint who was talking about the use of meditation meditation or yoga practices to heal from depression like diseases. With the help of her contact list, she reached to that Indian saint and asked for help. Then the saint asked her to dedicate her days for doing the practices that he was going to tell her. Then she started her practices, and after few months she changed her life, and now she was mentally as well as physically fit. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can help you focus on the present moment and reduce feeling of stress and anxiety. I think you got the point.